Enermatic is a 120-year-old energy management company. The company headquarters is currently in Spring Grove, Illinois. Today, Enermatic Inc. has a line of products ranging from their energy controls to lighting to pool and spa products. They have recently acquired Grasslink Controls, an international leader in the energy industry. Enermatic continues to stress the importance of efficient energy management and continues to develop new technology in that sector. iPro 321's purpose is to help Enermatic innovate their product line with research concerning energy management control systems that exist and investigate their use on all levels from contractor to end user, and most importantly to help them more desirable for the end user. During this semester, we have met representatives of Enermatic at the 2012 AHR Expo. We have discussed our ideas with the sponsor Vitality Conference, and we visited Enermatic's headquarters and met with their marketing managers to discuss our ideas. According to guidelines from Enermatic, we put forth many new ideas. Our new ideas encompass the three main areas: electromechanical ideas, sensor ideas, and others. After thorough investigation of each new idea, in consultation with the sponsor, we narrowed our focus to main 8 ideas: the smart circuit breaker and improvements to Enermatic's current photo and motion sensors. iPro 321 will run out this semester by performing market research on the 2 main ideas in order to give Enermatic a complete report regarding the market feasibility of the new ideas. It is the hope of the iPro 321 team that these product ideas will materialize into actual products. The members of iPro 321 would like to thank Enermatic for their sponsorship of the iPro, as well as IIT and the members of the iPro program staff.